honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is going to be a get ready with me video. So I'm going to do a quick makeup look, very quick. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the color Amber Honey. I put 1.5 pumps on this sponge. I don't wet my beauty blenders. Okay, it's supposed to be quick. I have to remind myself. It's quick, fast, in a hurry. Just to look presentable. I ain't doing nothing special. I'm being very harsh on my skin, though. I need to stop being kind of rough. Okay. I always put powder on top of my foundation using this big fluffy brush. Oh, here we go. And it does make a difference. This is the Black Radiance finishing powder. You can get this from Amazon or Walmart. Okay, I can't do that because it take up my time. Okay, get that out the way. I need some blush. Sometimes I even use blush as eyeshadow. A lot of times I use it as eyeshadow. I think I'm going to do it again today. I'll do the whole lid. And I'll put a little smokiness in the outer V. Okay. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild. Oh, I didn't show you the eyeshadow. The Starry Triple Blush Palette. I have a hard time finding that. When my honey sent me that originally, and I liked it so much, I just kept buying it, but it's hard to find. There's a little smokiness I'm adding to the outer V and to outline the eye. Okay. That's good. And these eyebrows. Let's brush them first with a spoolie. You know what? I'm going to use some eyeshadow on my eyebrows. The same eye. Okay, I switched out the card. The card was full, so I was doing my eyebrows. That don't look right. Fix it. Always have one eyebrow that's longer than the other. Okay, that's good as she gets. Not really, but it's gonna have to work. Okay, I'm put a little light shadow on the brow bone. Just a little lightness. Let's go. That's all. This is what I use, the Wet n Wild color icon. Okay. What I need, some on these soup coolers. The Ofra lip stain. Good. Looks like this. It's eyeliner. That's good. I already got on the lash clusters. Put that up, put that up. I need to do something with these edges because I'm going to wear a half wig. You know what? Eyeshadow will work for that too. The same eyeshadow I got on my hair. See that? Let me see. I can't see what I'm doing looking at the camera. Oh, that's too light. Okay. I got something for my hair. I can't find it right now. I'm trying to hurry up. Oh, this is a darker color. It's more like it. Let's see all this silver shining through. It looks kind of ashy. So. Uh-oh. My hair's not that light. I made it look worse. So I'm using some of this mousse on my hair. Tone down where them edges look. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna put this wig on now, but I'm gonna take it off and review it today. So the review for this wig will be immediately following this video. This is just my get ready with me part of the video. Half wigs. I reviewed this wig about 5 or 6 years ago. I've been wearing it recently, but I don't know if I've reviewed it recently. But I always wear bobby pins, these big bobby pins with half wigs. Okay. At this point, Walter asked me, what's that thing around your neck? I said, it's a headband. So now at this point, I'll pull it up. Being careful not to touch my face because it'll have brown makeup on it if I do. Pull this over the weft. And I'm ready. Today I'm officially as cute as I can be. Okay. And this wig is called Livia. And like I said, I'll be reviewing it immediately after this Get Ready With Me video. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.